Okay, maybe that was a little over the top. Anyways, we'll go ahead and get our next video started. Welcome back to another exciting and thrill-filled adventure with DIY Nautical Dream.
Hi guys! Welcome back. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe down below. And please watch our video from the very beginning up until the end. Okay?
Perfect! Oh, wow!
Hi guys.
Hi guys!
Welcome back.
I'm Priscilla.
And I'm Rich.
Together
we make DIY Nautical Dream.
Alright, so what's going on, honey?
Oh, well, with any luck, we're going to try and install another one of these overhead lights. And they're always a bit of a challenge. I do struggle with them. Probably because I don't do them very often. But they take
challenges.
Yeah, they take a lot of time, a lot of details. That's our plan. Trying to get one more of those installed this week. That'll be really nice. And then we need to make some more so we can install the rest of them.
Yep, a little bit of progress.
Yeah, I think we need to make about 10, 15 more of them, something like that. They're just little square things, but they take a lot of time to make them. But they sure are nice looking, though, so we like the way they look once they're installed.
Alright, so stay tuned, guys. We're going to show you our update this week's video.
Fingers crossed. Let's get her done. Alright, see you in a little bit. Okay. Let's see if we can even get the sleeve on. Okay. So this is our solder sleeve right here. We're going to use that as a solder sleeve butt splice. We have our handy dandy little heat gun here. I'm going to give it a try. Okay, I think we got it. So we'll just let that sit. It's not the best. This would be considered like a cold solder joint. It has melted, so I think we're just gonna go with it. We'll let it cool and see how it goes. Alright, and this is our first time trying out our new cordless heat gun. And well, so far it seems like it's doing the job. So we're going to go ahead and give it another try. Well, let's see what happens. It did melt, and it did start to wick up on the wire. So that's about all we can ask for. Like I said, I think it's more of a not quite a cold solder joint, but it's definitely not a melted hot solder joint. I think it's these butt splices. I think they're just, I don't think they're the highest quality and they're not melting at the right temperature. But anyways, as long as we get a good bond out of it, we're not going to have these under a bunch of tension or anything like that. Should be fine. Alright, we'll come back to that in a little bit. Okay, so we're about ready to install our base now. We're going to put that up here. And with any luck, let's see, I think if I remember right, I think that went that way. Okay, so with any luck, we'll see if we can get this figured out here. Okay, just starting is all we're doing. Maybe we gotta do more than that. Maybe we gotta push a little harder. Ah, dang it. Okay, never mind. Problem number one has shown its face. Problem here? Screw's too short. Alright, stand by. We're going to go find different screws. Okay, so we have slightly longer screws this time, so we're going to try it again. Want to make sure we're still nice and even. And we are, so that's good because we don't want anything crooked when we have to sit and look at it. Okay. Now, our holes should line up over here already. We should be right good. Alright, and then we're just going to snug them up by hand. Hopefully we're still good here. Okay, we're good there. Alright. So that's what we have going on there. So that's just the base with the glow there. So we're going to go ahead and we'll wire that up and see how that looks here in just a second. Okay, we had a little bit of a minor issue there, but we had to connect those wires back down there in order for the power to be up here. So I forgot about that. So let's see here. Let's twist these together to see what the base glow is going to look like. All right, let's see here. Oh yeah.
Oh, wow.
We like that. That'll look good. It'll look better when the tape's taken off, but you get the idea. Alright, cool. So we like that. We'll move on to the next step. We'll proceed to start to add the light on there next. Alright, so we're getting pretty close now. We don't want to use a screw gun on these because these are really soft screws. And they only give us 4 in the pack, so they have a special size on the head because there's a chrome cap. There's a chrome cap that goes over the top of the head, so for right now, we're just going to snug them. So all we do is just snug them by hand for right now. We just want to see how this looks. All right, man. Haven't done one of these in a while. It took forever. All right, let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's pretty sharp. That's pretty fine and dandy right there. Okay, that's full bright. That's off. Just the old glow mode there. A little bit of blue action going on. Help you up. Not too bad. Alright, so we're happy with that. That's pretty cool. We'll just leave the protective plastic on there for now, but yeah. Alright, so we got one down. One more to go there. Haven't figured out the design for this yet, but we'll come up with something. But yeah, already that's pretty nice. Makes a big difference already, see? And we have two of them side by side. That's cool. Man, take a long time to do that. All right, so we're pretty happy with that. That takes care of one more little check mark on the box. Having that hooked up and installed. Yeah, we just need to make more of those. We need to make a lot more, actually. So, yeah, I think we need to make about 15 or 16 more of those. So, these square ones. Yeah, there's a lot of places in the boat those are going to go. But, yeah, for now, we're pretty happy with that. That's cool. And we still haven't decided what we're going to do for right here yet. We do need to make a teak panel to fill in that void. And then need to figure out what kind of light fixture we're going to put there. But, yeah, I think it could use one because if you look from here with that new light on full, this light over here is on. It's still a little, you know, it could be lit up better. It could definitely be brighter. Especially if, you know, for some reason these lights, if these lights are out, then it's very dim over here. So we definitely have some thinking to do there to come up with something for that area there. Plus we want it to kind of light up the companionway stairs. So, all right, we're not going to worry about that today. We'll just keep it in the back of our mind. All right, so that's pretty cool. All right, so that's where we're at.
Perfect.
Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our videos. We really appreciate it.
Good job, honey.
Yeah, right. Hey, well, it turned out actually looks pretty good. Has a little bit of tiny flaws in it. Yeah, all in all, it looks really nice. The fixtures are all beautiful when they're done, but they sure take a lot of steps, a lot of processes, all kinds of time involved in them. Yeah, it turned out pretty nice. And yeah, we just need to make a couple more of them now.
A lot.
Yeah. So what do you think? You like it or yeah? Okay. Yeah. So hope you guys like that. And yeah, one day maybe we'll make a whole bunch of them. We'll sell some of them. And also the new filler nozzle for the diesel fuel can. That worked out pretty good for us as well. So just a little bit of odds and ends, some small details. But all in all, we're making a little bit of progress. And that's, yeah, that's what's important. So.
All right. So thanks for watching, guys. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe down below.
Right down here somewhere.
And please, like always, watch our video from the very beginning up until the end.
Oh yeah,
we really appreciate all the people that still with us.
Yeah, all the people are hanging out watching us, and you know, we're a little inconsistent on getting the videos out, but we're doing a little bit better, and we'll get back on track, making some progress, and just keeping the project going along. And
keep doing what we're doing.
there you go. All right, so that's all we can do. That's all we can ask for.
Right.
All right.
All right.
Yep.
So, what else?
Anyway, so we just want to say thank you to all of our longtime subscribers, all the new subscribers, and all the people that are watching that aren't subscribed. We just want to say thank you to all of you, and we appreciate each and every one of you.
All right. So, see you guys next video.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye. There you go. Oh no.
No.
Man.
It's DJI.
Oh,
Action
okay.
5.
We're in good shape.
Yep.
Huh?
Huh?
Yeah. Okay.
You? Oh. Okay. So. Alright, that's it, guys. See you next week. Bye. Wait, JK. Okay.
Dang, if I only hit record. Man.
I think you did.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Welcome back.
I'm Rich.
Oh.
Well,
That.
you can do it.
Yep. I got it. I'm good now. Ready?
Good job, honey.
It's okay.
No, just got it.
Yeah.
Hi guys. Welcome back.
Oh no!
Oh man, did it shut off on us?
No.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah,
All right.
it's good.
Oh, I need your microphone. So, the new light base foot, the teak or the.
Huh?
One of the things that I want to get out of the day, it's another one. Sorry.
Did we record it?
Hang on. No, not yet.
Perfect!
Oh, wow.